guys, welcome to EC Electronics. In today's video, we'll be seeing some of the fresher recruitment updates. Also, we'll be seeing some internships. So there is actually openings for coders and non-coders in today's video. So if you're interested in any of this category, please do watch this video till the end. Also, if you're seeing the channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and follow us on our Instagram page. There's actually openings for freshers and experienced candidates, and also there is for openings for interns. Okay, let's have a look on the updates one by one. The first update we are going to see is from Wipro. We'll be seeing 3 recruitment updates from Wipro. So the first one is telecommunication developer is the post name. The location is Chennai. So here they are not asking for any experience as such, but they have asked that you should be having knowledge in at least one of the development technologies, programming language or related tools. Means preferably if you are from computer science, IT related backgrounds, any BSc, BTech, all the candidates, all the graduates are eligible with some little bit of programming knowledge. Okay. So the post name is telecommunication developer. So this is actually a developer post and the location is Chennai. Currently you can get work from home, but after the COVID situation has settled down, you will have to relocate to this given specific location. Okay, that will be the case. So you will be developing code, supporting maintenance and implementation of complex components of a project module. We know that what is the job role of a developer. So that is the first post. So just click on this apply icon if you are interested. So this is a coding job. The next one is production specialist. It is a non-coding job. Okay. Again, freshers are clearly eligible here. See, you can see in the notification itself, freshers also eligible. 0 to 24 months of experience. Excellent communication skill is mandatory. You need to have communication skill. You should be doing a voice process here. Production specialist means it is a more of kind of BPO related job role itself. Means you'll be answering calls, customer problems, queries, all those things. Okay. So that is the second post, which is for a production specialist. Okay. Location is Sarita Vihar is a location. Currently, again, you'll get work from home. So that is the case. The third post we are going to see is associate payments. This is also a non-coding job. This is actually a job in which you will be working in the payment transaction session. Okay. So the things or the skill that they are asking is experience in internet, credit card, banking transactions, etc. So if you are a person from BCom related backgrounds, or if you are having some knowledge in payment transactions, that is more preferred. Only freshers and graduates are eligible. Clearly again mentioned, freshers and graduates. Okay. Freshers are clearly eligible here. Location is Hyderabad. So these are the 3 updates which we are seeing from Wipro. The next recruitment updates we are going to see is from Amazon. 2 updates is there. The first one is device associate. Location is Tamil Nadu. Let's have a look on what is the basic qualification. Okay. BE, BSc candidates, BTech, MCA, MSc, IT, EC and EEE related branches are eligible to apply here. So this is a device associate post. They have mentioned that a graduate in any field of study is eligible. Clearly they have given a graduate in any field of study. Quantitative fields such as science, engineering are preferred but not mandatory. So they have given this as a qualification, but they have again mentioned very specifically that if you are from a quantitative field or a science or an engineering field, that is preferred but is not mandatory. Otherwise also you can apply. You should have some knowledge in Word, Excel, all those areas. Then highly energetic, proactive person, that is the nature or the skills required. Okay. So if you are interested in this post, you can definitely apply here. The post name is Device Associate and the location is Tamil Nadu. The second post, which is from Amazon again, it is Content Associate Audible is the post name. Tamil Nadu is a location. Let's have a look on what is the qualification. Educational skill must be a graduate with content writing or copy editing skills. Content writing skills, if you are having, if you have done that, if you have done some blog writing things, then that is more preferred. Again, any graduate is eligible. Work experience open to fresher and experience. Clearly, they have mentioned that for freshers also is eligible and also for experienced candidates. You should have good communication skills in English language, ability to work in team with very dynamic process. So this is a content management, content editing kind of a job. So if you are a person from BA English or literature related backgrounds, more preferred. Otherwise also you can apply. Freshers are open to apply. Okay. So these are the two recruitment updates which we are seeing from Amazon. The next recruitment we are going to see is from Genpact. Genpact is hiring for Process Associate Logistics. So this is a job role which is for BCom candidates. If you are a BCom candidate, I would strongly recommend you to explore the Genpact career site. Lot of updates for BCom candidates, finance related graduations and all. Okay. So minimum qualification is graduate in commerce. Freshers are eligible. Good English language skills, written and verbal. Okay. So this is the post. Process Associate Logistics. Let's have a look on what is the location. Location is Hyderabad, and the date of posting also you can see December 9th. It is a very recent update. The second post and the last post from Genpact is Process Associate Cash Apps. Again, BCom candidates, freshers are eligible, excellent English and interpersonal skills. Okay, so this Genpact is a company which is mainly dealing with a lot of transactions and all. So they require a lot of BCom related candidates. Okay, so please to apply for it. The location here is Jaipur. Okay, again a very recent update only. Next recruitment update we are going to see is from Capgemini. So Capgemini is hiring for engineering and MCA candidates of 2022 batch. Last date also they have mentioned it is 15th of December. Salary is 4 lakhs per annum. Again a good package to start if you're a fresher. Let's have a look on the eligibility criteria in more detail. MCA candidates and BTech candidates of all streams eligible to apply here. MA MTech candidates from only IT, information science and computer science. Okay, 60% of minimum marks you need to have in your academic all milestones. Okay, maximum year gap allowed is 1 year. Okay, so please to apply for it if you are interested. The last date is 15th of December. Okay, so this is a coding related job. Okay, so the next job we are going to see is from Razorpay, and here they are hiring for MBA candidates exclusively. MBA freshers with 0 to 1 years of experience. This is an entry level job only. The job name is, or the role name is HR coordinator. So if you are a person with MBA qualification with 0 to 1 years of experience, also if you are having some MS Office tool skills, you can apply. The other things they're asking is good written and verbal communication skills, internship experience in talent acquisition if you have worked with some companies, and if you have done if you have worked with the talent acquisition team, means the hiring team. Okay, so if you have worked with the hiring team, that will be an add-on experience. Hiring process will be consisting of written test, face-to-face interview and telephonic interview. Okay, so if you are interested, just fill up this application form and please do apply for this post on Razorpay. The last recruitment update we are going to see is from Goldman Sachs. I have been talking about this recruitment in the previous videos also. This is a internship opportunity plus a full-time opportunity. So the internship opportunity is for 2022 graduates, and the full-time opportunity, sorry, the full-time opportunity is for 2022 graduates and the internship is for 23 batch. Okay, so if you are interested in doing internships or if you are interested in joining as a full-time employee, anyway, the interns will be also gradually absorbed in the company. That will be the case. Okay, so if you are interested in any of this and if you have graduated in 22 and 23, you can apply by clicking on this register icon. Also, they have given the hiring process here, aptitude test, when it will be, what will be the date, everything they have given. Aptitude test will be on January 9th, technical test will be on February 13th, and the interviews will be from February 4th week. It will be starting from February 4th week. Okay. Yeah, so that was the last update. The last day to apply here is January 3rd. Okay, don't wait till that, apply for it. A lot of people have applied, but some people have not yet applied. So please to apply if you are having these qualifications or eligibility. Okay. So yeah, that's it for today's video. We have seen a lot of recruitment updates in this video. If you are having eligibility for any of this post, please don't forget to check out the links which I'll be putting in description and please to apply accordingly. Okay. So that's all for today's video. I'm really hoping that you found the content useful. If yes, please do like, share, subscribe to the channel. Please do make use of this video. Share the videos with your friends also and tell them to subscribe. That's it. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.